I can do this part. No, I can do this part. No, I can do this part. I can do it. I'll smash you into pieces. Hey, I'm the only one left out. I'm gonna get him in his piece of the jail. Now I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. Now I'm gonna get him. If you stop that, I'll smash you into pieces. Now I can do it. I can do it. No, stop it. I can do it. I don't care. I'm going to do it. I care. I'm going to do it. Now I'm going to do it. Now I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. Uh-oh. Oh, great. How am I going to get out now? Oh, I know. Whoa! Ow! Oh, great night again. Oh! Ouch! What was that for, a little thing? What is this anyway, guys? I don't... Well, we can't move. It's left over. Except that little one right there. I don't know what that thing is, Steve. Let's test it out. No, don't do that. I know what that does, but I don't know the name. Don't do it, no! Oh man, that hurted me! Oh, sorry. What is this thing? Guys, I already told you, we don't know.